Hi friends, welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm taking part in the Breast Cancer Awareness Challenge 2020 hosted by Krafty Leeny and co-hosted by DIY with Nadia and Indiana Jones. I will link their channels and the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out for all the other lovely entries. Now without further ado, let's get started. For my first DIY, I'm going to make a flower ball. I'm recycling this broken ball and I'm using this twine and making a knot and putting it through the hole in the top and hot gluing it. And then I'm going to hot glue some flowers onto it. It's as simple as that. In this challenge, we were also asked to speak about a strong woman in our life. And I would like to take this opportunity to speak about our grandmother. I thank God for her blessed life and peaceful end. She went to meet her Creator on the 9th of this month after successfully turning 81 on the 7th. She has always been a great source of support and inspiration to us. She was very talented. She could draw, she could stitch, she could knit. She used to make our lunch bags when we were in school. She knitted shawls for us. She was wonderful at doing cross-stitch puzzles. And she was the best. She was very God-fearing. And she was a clean freak. She always kept washing her hand and she was always clean and expected us to be up to her standards. She was always reading her Bible and singing songs and praising God, and she loved being in His presence always. I also found that melting the ball a bit with a hot glue gun tip and poking the flower inside was an easier way to fix it. And that was my first DIY. Moving on to the next one. These hearts were actually cut out by my grandmother, and I thought what a wonderful way to use it in this challenge. And so I just took a few and painted them with pink watercolor, and I really liked the effect. Next, I took a gold hoop that I had and this frame thingy which my sister had in her stash. It was from Itsy Bitsy. And I glued the end to the ring. I removed the string on top and attached it to the ring. And this held it in place. Next, I took some white wool, cut them into strips, and hung them on the scroll underneath. Next, I took some of the hearts and I attached them to the string using the hot glue. I also attached some to the side. And these are my decorations. Let me know what you think about them in the comments down below. I really like this, and to think that I actually used something that my grandmother made, and this will help me remember her always. I really liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Don't forget to check out the host and co-host channels and the playlist for all the other lovely entries. Bye-bye.